Welcome back to 50 Car. The 2025 Chevrolet Traverse concept isn't just another family SUV, it's a statement of innovation. Combining futuristic technology with refined comfort, this concept car is designed to redefine family travel while staying grounded in Chevrolet's reliable roots. Let's dive into what makes it stand out. Exterior design: bold, sleek, and muscular. From the striking front grille that stretches across the width of the vehicle to the angular, LED-illuminated headlamps, the Traverse concept impresses at every angle. The smooth aerodynamic body contours and muscular wheel arches give it a confident road presence. While the bold design screams modernity, some might argue that the sharp angles could be too aggressive for traditional Chevy fans. On the whole, it's a bold step forward, but the design might not be for everyone. Interior and dashboard design: modern comfort meets innovation. Inside, the 2025 Traverse concept showcases a spacious cabin with soft-touch materials, premium leather upholstery, and high-tech features like a fully digital dashboard. The intuitive touchscreen system sits prominently in the center, offering seamless integration with smartphones and in-car apps. The comfortable seating layout accommodates up to 8 passengers, with ample legroom even for taller adults. However, some may feel the tech-heavy cabin can be overwhelming, especially for older drivers not used to such advanced systems. Performance: a balanced powertrain. Under the hood, the Traverse concept houses a turbocharged 3.0-liter V6 engine. Offering 400 horsepower, it promises rapid acceleration and smooth highway cruising. The handling is responsive, aided by an advanced all-wheel drive system. While the concept's top speed remains speculative, early driving impressions suggest it's built for both daily commuting and adventurous road trips. However, expect some maintenance costs down the line, particularly when dealing with parts replacement. Additional features: a smart investment. Key options include a panoramic sunroof, adaptive cruise control, and an optional towing package. The Traverse concept's impressive 5-year warranty ensures peace of mind, though some may find the advanced tech features a bit too much to handle initially.